So we're going to take a look at appositives, and it sounds like it's complicated, but it really isn't. We use it all the time. An appositive is a noun or a noun phrase that stands next to another noun, and its job is to rename or to describe that noun, okay? And it's separated by commas. All right, so we're going to take a look at these three examples. Now, it's called an appositive because it's in apposition to or right next to the noun. That's why it's called an appositive. So, Abraham Lincoln, comma, the 16th President of the United States, comma, wrote the Gettysburg Address. Okay, so the appositive is the 16th President of the United States. It describes Abraham Lincoln. It's standing in apposition to Abraham Lincoln. That's why it's called the appositive, and it's offset by these commas. Now, to check myself, to make sure that I'm using the commas properly, all I have to do is not read what's in red, or I could cover it up if it's on my paper, and just read, Abraham Lincoln wrote the Gettysburg Address. Is that an independent clause? It is, that works. So this right here, this appositive here is describing Abraham Lincoln. It's giving more detail, and it's offset by the commas. It works appropriately. Let's look at number 2. She saw the beautiful animal, comma, a large polar bear with dazzling white fur. So here, the appositive is a little bit longer. Sometimes appositives can just be 2 words. Sometimes it can be a little bit longer. Depends. This one's a little bit longer to give a little bit of detail to our animal. So, a large polar bear with dazzling white fur is in apposition to animal. It's describing this noun. This is my noun, just like Abraham Lincoln was my noun. Again, the appositive have to be next to a noun describing that. Okay? So to check myself, if I use the comma right, she saw the beautiful animal. Is that an independent clause? It is, so I'm good to go. Let's look at the final one. The principal saw the students, comma, a group of sophomores, comma, sit down and eat salad. The appositive is a group of sophomores. It's describing the noun students. It's giving more detail. It's more precise. Okay? So good job, students. You're eating salad. Way to be healthy. Woohoo. Let's check myself right here. I'm going to not read the appositive. The principal saw the students sit down and eat salad. That works. That's my independent clause. My appositive, a group of sophomores, is surrounded by the commas and is describing students. If I wanted to, I could even say the principal, comma, Mr. Scaling, comma, saw the students, comma, a group of sophomores, comma, sit down and eat salad. Mr. Scaling would be describing principal. That would also be an appositive. All right? So, appositives, again, a noun or a noun phrase that describes and gives extra detail regarding another noun. Thank you very much.